filling packing machine for pre-made bags. It is suitable for different kinds of liquid product packing, like liquid detergent, sauces, juice, etc. Machine includes two parts, the liquid metering pump and the pre-made bag filling sealing machine. Now let's see the machine performance. Firstly, liquid product will be put into the storage hopper. Then, the metering pump will measure the liquid solid dose by cylinder stroke of capacity. The filling dosage is adjustable by adjusting the cylinder stroke volume easily. While the filling product is ready, we can prepare the pre-made pouch to put on the bag loader. And the machine hand will pick up the pouch vertically one by one. Then the pre-made pouch will go for next station for bag opening. An optional bottom opener device will assist to open the Doypack bag. After bag opening, it will deliver to next station for liquid filling from the metering pump. After filling, the bag mouth will be leveling by machine for bag sealing. We widen sealing jaws to ensure the sealing results in good status. Lastly, the finished bag comes out from the output conveyor. Machine equipped with protected doors for safety production standards. All operation parameters are clearly displayed and adjusted on the HMI touch screen. Besides, machine electronic boards and the transmission structures are in clearly arrangement, easy for end users to do the routine maintenance.